Close my eyes and I feel like I'm not even in my life, and I never wanna leave as I see myself running out of time. Mistake after mistake, it's safer if I distance myself. If there's a way for me to not do what I have done for so long.
Suara gemuruh hujan.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Pak Agus Kapin, Des.
Like you know me well enough to understand mysterious ways of dealing with a couple of down days. It's like you're stealing what I had for a while and using it yourself. In my mind I see what I
Gak ada ujung odol itu. Lo, jono lo.
So don't be sorry if you know that I'm lonely. I don't feel like you know me well enough to understand. If you can show me that your thoughts are all lonely, I'll pretend that you know me like you always wanted to. Maybe it stays as it's always been, hazy and they see what we can see.
Kita akan memasak mie karena teman-teman sudah pada lapar.
And I'll try my
Mas Aming,
Kan gue bentuk dewi ya kabeh.
mewah sekali Mas Aming.
Sini ada berapa?
Mantap. Kayak janji.
Dan pada pagi hari ini nanti kita rencana mau langsung ke air terjun. Setelah ini nanti kita beres-beres dulu, beres-beres tenda, habis itu kita baru jalan lagi. Tetap pantau terus di channel YouTube Mas Rian.
Jangan lupa like, comment, and fucking subscribe.
be good. So don't be sorry if you know that I'm lonely. I don't feel like you know me well enough to understand. If you can
Tenang, ramai lu. Hati-hati yo.
I'll pretend that you know me like you always wanted to.
Keren sekali, super gak ikut. Keren kan? Konsola. Mana?
As you can see, she hasn't met him yet. She already fell in love, I bet. Her keyboard gets slammed by her fingers, but he replies with okay every time, every time. She doesn't know who he is. She doesn't know what he's up to. Oh, she doesn't know.
Jadi sini udah sampai di namanya Curug Malebur Gongso. Nah, jadi konon ceritanya dari
Dari opo? Dari Kecegur.
untuk
Kelabang satu gak ikut.
No, she doesn't know what he's up to. Oh, her heart gets broken every time.
Keselek.
She doesn't know who he is.
Really? Terowongan lur.
She doesn't